Let's say that we want to send an invitation for a meeting. We would click on New Items, Meeting, and then we would select the people that we want to send the invitation to. After we've filled our title and the required people, and we select a tentative start time and end time. How do we make sure that the people that we want to attend the meeting will have the time to participate? The right way to schedule a meeting using Outlook is to use the scheduling assistant. After inputting the title, the required or optional people, and a start date, we click on Scheduling Assistant, and it will open up this view. We will have all the attendees, in which we can mark them here as required or optional, and we will see if they are members of our organization, what are the time slots that they have in their calendars. Then we can select the spaces in which all the attendants have free time. If we cannot see a free time initially, we can use the option to auto pick by selecting either the required people and one resource, all people and one resource, all people and resources. In this case, I'm going to go with the option of required people. After we click auto pick, it will immediately go to the next available time slot in which all required attendees have available time. This relies on the information that is input on the calendar in Outlook by all of the members of your organization.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it on your social media. And remember to follow p3.hero on all of their social media. And subscribe to my newsletter to get more content like this. Thank you very much for your support.